Introducing NovaWheel, the easy-to-use, energy-saving desiccant resin dryer featuring ultra-efficient desiccant wheel technology. With a longer desiccant life, lasting up to 15 years, it outperforms desiccant beads, which begin to degrade immediately upon use. Let's take a closer look at what makes the NovaWheel so unique. The NovaWheel is a molecular sieve zeolite desiccant dryer featuring a unique honeycomb structure. This honeycomb design holds the desiccant, similar to other desiccant dryers, but with a key difference. It continuously rotates, cycling out saturated desiccant for fresh desiccant. The wheel assembly is divided into 3 distinct regions, each serving a specific purpose. The process section generates the desiccated air necessary for drying the resin. Next, the regeneration segment dries out the previously used desiccant on the wheel, preparing it for its next cycle. Finally, the cooling section cools the desiccant before it cycles back into the process. Let's delve deeper into the role each of these segments plays in the drying process. Starting with the process air section, air from the process blower passes through the desiccant wheel, which consists of a honeycomb structure with an active molecular sieve impregnated on a substrate. As the air flows through the corrugated sections in the process segment, the moisture-laden air deposits its moisture on the walls and exits at a constant dew point of -40 degrees or better. From there, the air is heated to the resin's drying temperature and directed to the hopper inlet, where it passes through a specially designed diffuser that ensures even distribution throughout the hopper. As the heated air passes through the hopper, it heats the resin, causing the moisture to leave the resin and exit the top of the hopper. While this is happening, the regeneration section of the system takes in ambient air through a separate blower. This ambient air is heated and directed to the pie-shaped section of the wheel used to regenerate the desiccant. As the heated air passes through the honeycomb tube structure, it removes the previously deposited moisture from the desiccant and continuously vents it to the atmosphere through the regeneration vent. As we return to the drying hopper outlet, the moisture-laden air leaves the hopper. This air then passes through a filter to remove any dust from the resin and is cooled to an acceptable level. Finally, the air returns to the process blower to continue the cycle. To cool the desiccant after regeneration, a portion of the cooled return air is directed to the cooling section of the wheel. This removes the heat, allowing the desiccant to regain its maximum capacity. This ensures that the system consistently provides a constant dew point and temperature to the resin in the drying hopper. This continuous process guarantees a constant dew point and a lengthy desiccant life, free from desiccant dust and breakdown. So easy to use, minimal maintenance, long-lasting desiccant wheel technology backed by a 5-year warranty, with no desiccant beads and no desiccant dust ever. NovaWheel by Novatec.